Hello, I'm Anton. Today is day 44 of Daily Crypto Installment. Here's a record of my crypto purchases on February 23rd, 2025. I'm still paying in installments. Bitcoin 20,000, Ethereum 20,000, XRP 10,000. This video doesn't just showcase how to buy crypto with small change, but also includes lessons about crypto, starting from the basics and progressing in depth. So, watch this video until the end and don't forget to subscribe to ensure you learn more about the world of crypto at a higher level, giving you more confidence to start investing. Today, I want to answer a question from my friend, NGT. Is Ethereum safe to store for a long time? Short answer, it's safe. But it depends on where you store it and how you understand how to protect it. Ethereum runs on a proven blockchain system, and it's now even stronger since its transition to Ethereum 2.0. But the real risk is if you don't understand wallets, private keys, how to secure access. Imagine owning digital gold. If you keep it in a secure safe, it's safe. But if you leave it on the coffee table and forget to close the door, it could disappear. I'm buying ETH in installments, not to sell it quickly, but because I believe it's the foundation of future technology. If you have parents or seniors who are afraid to hold Ethereum, show them this video. See you tomorrow.